make a break out of anything. Well, most people use the same breakbeats, and yes, they're all great. But to truly stand out, you gotta make your own ones, like this. Hi, my name is Polygon, and I'm a singing robot. Today I sent my master away to touch grass. On the way back, he recorded these sounds for us. So let's get going. First, we take this sound, make it a little bit shorter, but it's still not really packing much punch. So let's lower it a bit and add somebody. Next, we make a little kick sequence to get our beat going. To make it more organic, slightly change the other hits. You can do this by shifting the frequency or adding a fade to the start. Adding some environmental noise backing will also help a lot. Now that we have our kick pattern, you know what's next on the menu. Let's find some sounds with enough mid and high frequency content to work with, like the sound of this branch hitting a tree, or this rattling noise over here. While on the right track, it's still missing something. Remember the clap that master recorded in that spooky looking cave? It's exactly what we need. Here's what we got so far. Now, what is a great break without some shakers? Touching grass is exactly what we want. Line them up nicely, shift their frequency up, take out the garbage we don't need. Adding ghost snares is not so hard. We find a sound with two subsequent hits, like this one over here. Now in order for this to work, we line them up with the offbeats like this. That's all there is to it. Easy as pie. Now that we have all our basic ingredients, we can quit here or go the extra mile to enhance our groove. We gotta take some sounds, put them between beats. The kick can also use something extra, adding in the sound makes the hits more distinct. Maybe we should add a little ride sound. We can make use of this bicycle bell. Take away their harshness and sequence it like this. It's a little bit high, so let's shift the frequency up. The cherry on top is an offbeat shaker. This will make it really groove hard. And there you have it. That's our beat so far. The rest is all refinement, which is boring as fuck. But to summarize, here are your friends. Tube saturation, final emulation, and tape simulation are the keys to unlocking that breakbeat sound. Also, don't forget that most breaks were recorded in mono and ripped from a final source, where the highs don't go as high and the lows don't go as low. So make use of those HDFs, and don't forget about those LPFs, and you'll be on your merry way. This is our result. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe.